Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. It has been a while. I know it has. But that was not because of nothing, you know. I actually started streaming, so I'm actually like on camera on an everyday basis for the past 4 months, I guess. 4-ish, 5-ish months. And since this is gonna be the last video of the year, I wanted it to be something that will last many. I wanted to give you guys some tips, like some organization tips, if you can tell it that way, for your New Year's resolution. So basically, I've kind of have taken some notes so that I can give you guys what helped me out to actually have some realistic goals and how to organize them so that they can actually be put to action, you know. So let's get started. Alright, so the basic thing New Year gives you is nothing really extra different than the previous year, but it kind of gives you a major motivation boost, which you will need to grab and use for all the things you want to accomplish throughout the year, and maybe for the things you didn't do the previous year, which brings us to the outcome that you have to go and make yourself a mood board. What? Yes, make it visual. The only thing that helps me be organized is if I can see things. So either write it down, either put it on your iPad, your iPhone, your notebook, write it down. Use pictures if you like that. Use stickers. Use anything visual that will help you maintain your goal somewhere that you can see it and that nothing can make you forget about it or you know. So basically, yeah, make it visual so that you kind of remind yourself every day how important this is to you. That was number 1. Let's go for number 2. My number 2 tip is start freaking small. This means that you don't know how many times I was let's be healthier for 2018, for example. Let's be healthier. What? That is so freaking random and general. You'll never get to reach that if you're not more specific, and if you don't set short time goals. Basically, start by doing your weekly plan, maybe monthly plan. Just have some goals for 1 week so that you see that you can maintain that, and then go for the next week and the next week, and then you have a whole month. So this is probably what will take you easier to your goal, instead of 2020 bring me some joy. Let's see, will I do it? Okay, so this is number 2. Let me see. Number 3 is kind of silly, but you have to know that if you want to do it, you have to start now. Not yesterday, not tomorrow, not the day after tomorrow, not the weekend after your grandma's or auntie's birthday. Now. You have to start now. Maybe if you go off some days, it's okay, but you start now and you leave that rest of the things for the rest of the time. And if you go off-road, it's okay. You will have some ups and downs, but you start now, and then you have all the time for mistakes. If we don't start now, it's already your first mistake. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, right? So this is my top 3 tips on how to achieve your goals, and let me just give you some hints, some ideas about my resolutions so that you can form your own. Let's see. Okay, so pretty much, you guys, I have two, three categories that I have to separate the stuff that I want to do for 2020, and this is a big one, a smaller one, and another smaller one. The other two are probably just small ones. They're not even like smaller than each other. They're the same small, and it's a big one. The big one is, you already probably know, the big one is self-care. Mental health, self-care. We all probably know how important this is for every person, so if you're not like okay on the inside, you're probably not gonna be, you know, very well on the outside too. And that doesn't mean like your appearance only, but this is the way you treat people, the way you get treated back at. So basically, self-care is like the major thing for you to do. It's like number one priority. Number one priority. Which means, like for example, me, in 2020, I want to spend some time with myself. Give me like half an hour a day, just 30 minutes a day, which will be like quiet, silent minutes. I will probably like have a bath. I don't have a bathtub, so I'll probably like have a shower, probably light up some candles, or I'll do like a treatment, a mask, or do my nails. Just devote that time to just yourself. Just you, no kids, no parents, no other half, no dogs, just you. And just do that for like every day. I feel like, however, I'm not doing that every day, but whenever I try and do that and actually give myself some time, it's just so more peaceful for the rest of the day. 30 minutes a day is just nothing really. Just wake up, just take a little bit earlier, just give yourself some, the time it needs to just, make friends with yourself. Get it? Get what I'm saying? So basically, it might be a bath. It might be some music on your headset, just you and your music. It might be painting your nails. It might be curling your freaking hair, because today you feel like you want to curl your hair and you want to be pretty as So dedicate some time for yourself. This will make you feel better about you, and this will just pop for the rest of the people to see too. This means that you will treat people nicely if you feel good about yourself, and they will probably treat you back in a nice way if they're good, like with themselves. You know what I'm talking about, right? Not always, but you get it. You get what I'm saying. So another thing that's major is health. Like healthier me. I want a healthier me. How can I achieve that? I can like cook more, not eat like fast food and stuff like that. I can learn more about food and like dietary habits. I can work out more. This means I can do yoga, I can do high intensity, I can just walk with my dog, but I will just exercise every now and then. Daily, 4 times a week, 5 times a week, 1 time a week. If you hate exercising, just go and like move, It makes you feel so much healthier. It makes your blood, it's your heart beat faster. It makes you feel lively. So you do that, I do that too, and we'll see how it goes, right? So let me see, I have them all written down. I got this beautiful notebook, Fran's notebook, and I have everything written down so that I don't forget anything. So 2 more things I would like to do in the new year is spend more time with the people I love. This means like, of course, my family. This means like if you have somebody, or if I will meet somebody, and also for me it means my dog. I have so much fun when I spend time with him, when I play with him, when it makes me feel so like a child, and I love the feeling of that. So I'll try to dedicate more time to Dexter and help myself out like this. So pretty much it's yourself, it's the people around you that bring you joy, and not only them, keep toxic people as far away from you as possible. Just do that and you will see immediate difference. So there is that. And then I would like to just have a new skill. I would like to learn something. Either that would be, I really want to learn how to edit videos like better, but that could be anything for any one of you. Like it would be singing, it could be trying to do like a handstand, or trying to dance, learning how to dance. It could be like so much stuff. So this concludes the category of self-care / me time. And it brings me to the two latter ones. So the second one is job, school, whatever you want to call it, your hobbies, like trying to be good at those. The only way I have learned how to do that better is if I organize myself. So basically, like write down what things I want to be accomplished by the end of the day or the end of the week, and just check them out and just cross them out whenever they're done. And this helps me keep track. So basically, I just have my goals on a paper and just cross everything out once it's done. And this helps me just, know what I have to do, what I have left to do. So there's that. In 2020, I would like so much to like have a pretty steady income doing things online. And this is like a dream come true for me, because I really hate being around a lot of people, and all the jobs I have been in are kind of like around a lot of people. So I enjoy this so much, and I hope I can actually make this a full-time job. So this means I want to keep a schedule and like do YouTube videos like twice a week, stream almost every day, and post regularly on all the socials, so you can keep up with the rest of the world. So there's that. This I think is like a big thing, but I just bring it like second, cause self-care, as I told you, number one for me. So it's self-care, it's job or school or whatever it is that you do and you want to get better in it. And then the last thing I would say is material goods. So basically, if you want to have something, I want to have an iPad so that I can draw on it, and I can do fashion designs, and I can do modes, and I can do stuff like that. So for example, I want a vlog camera because I'm recording everything on my iPhone. I want some stuff that will help me like grow my business and also like help me out, make things easier for me. So I write those down, I write the prices, I keep them stacked on my mood board, and we'll do the mood board. We'll do the mood board at some point. I haven't done it yet, but I'm just giving you, a general idea. So there's that. And the other material thing that I really want to do for myself is update my wardrobe, which means everything that doesn't bring me joy, Marie Kondo speaking, everything that doesn't bring me joy, I don't want it around me, anywhere around me. So this means that I want to get rid of clothes that make me feel like sad, and I want to embrace myself with things that make me feel like nice. For example, like sudden PJs, or like a nice dress, or like some jeans that make you feel like you got the best assets ever, So yeah, I want to do that too, which brings us to closet cleaning out my closet video. So there are so many ideas for new videos. I'm so excited, you guys. Yeah, pretty much I don't think there's anything I didn't cover. My tips are start now, start small, and make it visual. And my things to do is self-care, your job or your school, and some stuff that will make you feel happy if you acquire them. So pretty much that was today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoy speaking about things like that so much. If you like this video, just click that like button and hit the subscribe because it's free here. It's still free on YouTube here. So click the subscribe button if you want to enjoy other videos like that, or like makeup videos, or you know, fancy videos. I make fancy videos. I'm about to make more fancy videos. New Year's resolution, more fancy videos. So I love you guys all so much. I'm so excited to be back, and I will see you pretty soon on another Stella's video. Take care. Take care. Happy 2020, dude. Other than that, I actually have started streaming, like gaming, streaming on online on an everyday basis. Online dating. It's so amazing. Okay.